Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance US app. Open the app and sign in with your email and 2FA to secure the account. Start by exploring the Markets tab to check prices and volume. Use the trade screen to place market or limit orders and set stop losses. Review your wallet to deposit, withdraw, or convert assets quickly. Always enable security features and verify addresses before sending funds. Create and verify your Binance US account to access deposits and trading. Tap Profile, then Identity Verification and Follow prompts to upload ID and selfie. Link a bank account or debit card for faster deposits and withdrawals. Set a strong password and enable biometric login if your device supports it. Familiarize yourself with deposit limits and ACH timing to plan trades and transfers. Keep recovery info updated to avoid Learn basic order types to trade confidently on Binance US. A market order fills immediately at current prices, while a limit order waits for your target price. Use stop limit to protect gains or limit losses when volatility spikes. Check order book depth and recent trades to gauge liquidity before placing large orders. Keep an eye on fees and use Convert for instant small trades when speed matters. Practice with small amounts until you master execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.